in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in Middle Tennessee, Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, Western Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Petersburg to 9 miles east of Pulaski, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail-damaged vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Winchester, Fayetteville, Lynchburg, Estill Springs, Huntland, Petersburg, Timms Ford Lake, Lincoln, Herdlow, and Smithland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms are producing large hail and winds are intensifying. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.